Kesha's new music will help her reclaim her joy. In an exclusive interview with ELLE, the pop star, 37, opened up about her new music in the wake of her near-decade-long legal battle against producer Lukash Dr. Luke Gottwald. While discussing how Kesha has experienced pain in her life, she opened up about why her forthcoming album is going to embody joy. "Everybody knows me as a fun human being. My soul is very fun. My name means innocent joy. But, you know, there's only so much somebody can take before just feeling wrecked," she said. Added Kesha, "My soul needs this album. I need to reclaim my joy. Because I fought so long and hard for it." Since founding her own label Kesha Records, she also revealed her plans to change the music industry over the next 10 years. "The music industry should be terrified of me," Kesha said. "Because I'm about to make some major moves and shift this S. I really want to dismantle it piece by piece and shine light into every corner. I hope my legacy is making sure it never happens to anybody ever again." In July, the woman performer released her first single as an independent artist, Joyride. She parted ways with RCA Records and Vector Management in June 2023. In a Forbes interview, Kesha announced that she was looking to change the world, particularly for any artists enduring similar situations. "I started my own record company and I am coming to change the world, honey, so just hold on tight," said Kesha, before advising fellow artists to keep writing songs through difficult situations. Added the blah 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 hitmaker, "It's really effed up that in this country, you can lose the rights to your voice but you will never lose the rights to your truth and the truth will set you free. I'm working really hard to change everything in my power in this world, so that never happens to anyone ever again."